Hey everyone, I don't talk too much about the work that I do, but I'm using my Stream Deck for something that isn't streaming. And one of the things I love doing with the Stream Deck is running profiles on it. I only have one profile set up on here right now, but basically this is set up for Adobe Audition. Here is the client's work. It's an audiobook in German. That's all I can say on it. I've got my script on the other monitor there. And basically marker, or M is for if I want to set a mark. So I have to make sure that I've clicked on this, and I can go ahead and marker, and we can just create an infinite amount of markers, or I can hit undo. Okay, great. Redo, self-explanatory, start of audio. If I can't find the clip, or if I need to go to the beginning, which I do a lot of the time, I press start of audio. Next song, this is specifically for Spotify. It's just in case I ever want to change my music, which I do all the time when I'm cutting audio. Silence is a big one. I use silence almost all the time. A big part of my job is zooming in. So I'll just give you an example here. We'll go all the way to the end of this clip, and we'll see all this audio here. Voila, right? Just static and whatnot. We go ahead and press silence, and you can see it does that. So I have it set up as a hotkey to just silence wherever I have it selected, which was fun. Play and stop, use all the time. I really do. I play and pause stuff all the time. Undo, self-explanatory. Save. If a file is already has a file name, of course, it will save it. Save as is pretty self-explanatory. Ripple I don't use like at all, and I actually think I have to remap it. Delete, self-explanatory. Delete the audio. Okay, and now we've got mono. I don't use mono very often. This one's a fun one. It basically will duplicate the audio and make a bunch of different files. And then you can see here, it creates a bunch. So if I keep pressing it, it just keeps basically highlighting the audio that I've made and then copying it and pasting it. And F noise, I'm not sure what that does. It basically just changed my song because it interacts with that key. I have to figure out what's up with the Stream Deck because ever since I got it, sometimes keys will be pressed randomly. It might be in my settings. And of course, profiles are standard. I did have streaming profiles previously, but I don't use them anymore. Press welcome, and it just takes you to Elgato's Stream Deck page. So, I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. Nothing special there. Yeah, so that's it. That's what I do in a nutshell. I spend hours just sitting here effectively cutting and editing audio, and those are my big hotkeys that I use. I previously was doing it all with the keyboard, and I found the Stream Deck so much easier. So my mouse is over here, my Stream Deck's here, right hand will be on Stream Deck, and honestly, it'll probably just be on these four keys basically, but I'll pretty much have a thumb here, 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 and I'll just be constantly going through that. Audition is just literally just to change profiles. I don't use Mark too much, so basically I'll be using about this pattern almost. Every so often I'll be pressing this. This is again to change Spotify's music, but again I can link it up to whatever, and I don't use copy too much unless I'm just highlighting sections, and this has been my workflow and it works incredibly well. Yes, it might be faster if you're used to keyboard, but once you get into this, having a control system is amazing, and macros and hotkeys are phenomenal. So that's it. I wanted to just show you what I do in a nutshell, and I have a lot of fun with this, and this has just made my life so much easier. I have my Stream Deck sitting in a box for months, and I decided, you know what, let's go ahead and program it and get it exactly how I need. And I actually found a profile that I'll go ahead and link in the description of this video of how basically of a Stream Deck that was set up for Audition that I just basically modified to my own liking. So thanks for watching this video. My name is Joel. See you later.